All right, if you're like me, I have these outside door hinges, and they've been rusting and starting to peel off. They were the brass ones, and in order to save money, simple thing, what I did, got the wire wheel right here. Ah! All right, got the wire wheel. Took off as much rust as I could for these. I don't want to go buy new ones because sometimes you don't get the exact ones again. Depot doesn't actually have this size, the 4" by 4. They have the smaller ones. Thank God I didn't go just buy them blindly. Always take the piece with you if you're going to go shopping to make sure you get the right replacement. I said, just save a couple bucks. Instead of buying like 8 or 12 of these things, just bought a can of this for like $9. It's Rustoleum. Look at that. I love the little multiple spray nozzles right here. You can get this stuff. And like I said, wire wheeled them down. All this stuff. And I just went black, man. It's like with chrome on cars and motorcycles. I got so sick of chrome after being into it in the early 2000s. Now it's just chrome delete, brass delete, and going this route. And we'll go up and see what it is. I'm letting these guys dry right now. And it does not block the keyhole. The key still works. All right, here's one of the knobs I did. It used to be this kind of brass color. And here's one of the hinges. Did that. This is all rusted. I took the one off here, painting that now. Here's what it looks like rusted. I mean, I got this build up here. They still work. They're not falling apart. It's just surface rust, but it looks like crap. And just decided to take care of business. And over here, here's the other one. It just looks so much better. And there's that. Again, I'm doing the other ones piece by piece. And I even did the little jam things as well. Anything that appears outside, on the inside, I did keep it just this horrible, old outdated brass. I'm not going to do this one. Who cares about this stuff? But yeah, did that and these as well. I like the mixture here. Oh, look at this. I like the combo, man. I know it doesn't matter, but the devil's in the details. You got the brass screws with the new flat black paint. There you go, man. Save a couple bucks. Prevent the rust. And I don't know. Little details add up, right? All right. What do you think?